All right, in this video, we're going to show you how to make a Tick-Tock account on your desktop, either PC or iMac. You just got to put Tick-Tock in the URL or search and it pops up. And as you can see, it says login. I'm not logged in because I don't have an account. So I'm going to show you how to create an account. So what you have to do, of course, is click on login, and it's going to open up this box here, and it's going to give you an option, and you can choose from Facebook or your phone number. I'm going to pick phone number, so I'm going to click on here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and tap in my phone number, and of course I blurred it so you can't see it. And once I've got that done, then I'm going to have to click on send code, and it's going to send a code to my phone. But before that happens, I got to prove I'm human, and I got to pull this little piece of a puzzle in there, and then that's going to say, yeah, verification done. And then now I've got to go to my phone, look at my messages, and I'm going to find a 4-digit code that I'm going to go ahead and click in there. I'm just going to show you it because you don't know what my phone number is. And then I'm going to hit login. And what it's going to do is going to either create an account or reactivate a deleted account, which I deleted earlier. And as you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and click on that. And then it's going to open up my account. And now I'm in my Tick-Tock. If you go up here and click on profile, view profile, you're going to see that, well, I got no followers, no following, and no likes, and no bio, and no picture, nothing. I got nothing in there. But, you can add all that stuff. It's easier to add it on your phone because there's more edit capability, whereas this has less. And so I would suggest if you're going to open up a Tick-Tock, use it on your phone. But this is one way that you can do it. All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to open up a mobile version of Tick-Tock on your desktop using Google Chrome. So you've got to open Google Chrome up. Cha-ching. And then you can just put Tick-Tock here, or you can put it in the window. I've already searched it a couple times because I'm practicing. And it's going to open it up, and then I got to click on here to go to Tick-Tock. And it's going to go to an account that I don't have. It's just a regular account. And this is the desktop version of Tick-Tock, which is kind of limiting. You can't do all the things that you want to do. It's asking if you want to get the Tick-Tock for desktop or if you want to get Tick-Tock for the app. But what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to change this into a mobile version of Tick-Tock. So what you're going to do is once you've opened it up and you're on Tick-Tock in your PC or your iMac, you're going to come up to update to these three little dots. You're going to click on that. It's going to give you a window. You're going to slide down to more tools. Then you're going to slide down to developer tools. It's going to open up this window on the right hand side. You're going to go up to the top of the toolbar and you're going to find the toggle device toolbar. You're going to see a big window and a little phone. And what you're going to do is you're just going to click on that. And what it's going to do, it's going to change this to whatever the setting is. I'm going to show you how that works. All right, bam. So right now, if you look here, it says iPad Pro, but I could change it to iPhone 10. And then it falls into iPhone 10. And then if you slide through it, it gives you all these different things. And then, so you can change it. Whatever phone you have, if you got a Galaxy, if you've got a 6, 7, or 8 Plus, if you got a 10, if you got iPad Pro, it pops it up. But it is limiting. And it's kind of like just really the desktop, to tell you the truth. It really doesn't give you the full experience of the mobile version on your phone. But it's the closest that it can come to it. So that's how you do that. Now, if you want to close this window, you come over here, you just click this little X, bam, you're out of there, and you're back into this window here. How to comment on someone else's video. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is, if you want to make a comment, let's say in this video here, you're going to come over here to this little bubble with the 3 dots in it, and you're going to click on it, and you can stop the video by just pressing on your space bar. And then you're just going to come down to the right on the bottom, click your cursor in the field, write, I don't know, LOL, and then you just hit the red post, and bam, you just posted it. If you want to copy the link, you can. If you want to share the thing, you can. If you want to like it, you can. And if you want to follow the guy, you can. And if you want to get out of it, you come over here, just click that, bam, done. Now you're back to your Tick-Tock. Show you how to upload a video on your desktop to Tick-Tock. Now, I'm assuming you've already opened up an account, which I made a couple videos that explain how to do that. So right now we're in Tick-Tock on Google Chrome. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up to this little icon up here. Now, you notice I didn't put anything in my icon yet. I haven't edited it. I'm going to click on it. I click on my icon, and I'm going to go View Profile. And what it's going to do, it's going to bring me to this page here. And this shows the name of my Tick-Tock. I haven't put a picture in here because I just made it the other day. and then I've got 0 videos. So how do you upload a video? Well, there's 2 ways you can do it. The first way is you can click here, upload video, and it's going to give you a window where you can click on this box over here. Notice when I put my cursor over it, it turns all red and it says select the file. You can click anywhere in the box, and what it's going to do, it's going to give you a look into your computer. Over here I've got it set to desktop, so I'm just going to go down and I'm going to find this one that's called stretch. It's just a short video. I'm going to click on it and I'm just going to click on open, and it's going to put it right in there. Bam, done. Now it's going to take a couple minutes to load, and you can watch it load right here. It's 3%, and it's going to fill this ring red, and then over here you can put your caption. I'm just going to put stretch. And then over here it says who can view it. You can make it a friends or private. You can leave it public. Comments, dual, stitch, allow users to do these things. Run a copyright check. You can do that, but I don't have to because there's no music on it. And once that circle fills in, we're going to have our video on our Tick-Tock account. I've sped this up about 1200%. So here we go. And bam, 100%. Now we have our video. And then over here you can choose which one you want to use as your cover. It's up to you. I'll just leave that one. So now we've got our video on there, and if we think everything's cool on it, if you want to do a copyright thing, we can do that. Check in progress. This will take about a minute. So we'll wait. It shouldn't give me any problems because there's no sound or music to it. So anyway, this is how it's going to look on Tick-Tock. And then if you like that and you think it's cool, you just hit post. Yeah. And let's go to the view. Let's go check it out in our profile. So here's our video right here. Bam, done. There's no views. So that's how you post a video on Tick-Tock on your desktop, your PC, or your Mac using Google Chrome. All right, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a video to your Tick-Tock account using the drag and drop. So what we're going to do is slide this over, and I've already opened up this folder right here. All right, which I have a bunch of GoPro Hero 10 Black videos in, which I've been uploading. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to this upload button. I'm going to click it, and it's going to give me this window, which I can drop and drag. Notice how when I'm going back and forth. All right, so I can't upload a video that's 3 minutes long. So I've got to upload one that is a little bit shorter than 3 minutes. So I'm going to pick this, how to use the smooth edit in a video, GoPro, blah, blah, blah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my cursor over it. See, I've highlighted it blue. I'm going to push down on my mouse and hold it, and then I'm going to drag it. I'm just going to drop it in this window that turned red. Bam, done. Now I need to get the name of it, right? So I go back over here, I click on this, it highlights it, I go Command C, I hold the command down, hit the C, now I've copied it. Now I'm going to take my cursor in this window, click into this window so you see that little thing there. Then I'm going to hit Command V, and bam, Bob's your uncle. Now all we got to do is wait for this thing to load. All right, I'm going to speed this up about 1,000 times faster, and bam! All right, so now we're in there, and if you look, I changed the title on it, and this is how it's going to look on your phone. None of these options are available to you. Down here it tells you how long the video is. It's 1.5 minutes. We're 43 seconds into it, so it's short enough. Over here we can do comments. Duet and stitch are not available for videos over 60 seconds. Okay, I get it. And that's pretty much it. And all you gotta do is hit post. Bam, done. And we can go to the profile. And here's our video. We can check it out. All right, GoPro has a feature on. I just hit the space bar to stop it. But anyway, on this page here, you can copy this link and paste it into your message apps, all of them like WhatsApp, Messenger, Messages, whatever you have. If you got Galaxy phone or iPhones, you can put it on Facebook, you can put it on Reddit, Pinterest, the Twitter, there's the WhatsApp there. And also you can like your own video. How's that grab you? There's no messages yet. And this has got your account name and all that stuff. It tells how many followers, how many likes. And then it also has the name of the video. All right, if you like this, to get out of it, you just come over here and click that, and you're back on your profile page. And then if you want to go to your regular, TikTok, you click here. Show you how to share one of your videos from your TikTok on a desktop iMac computer through Google Chrome. So first of all, we got to get to our video. So we got to go to our icon. We're going to click on it, View Profile. And bam, and here comes our videos. I only got one in here. And what you're going to do is you're just going to click on this video. And it opens up this full page of your video. You can see the video is playing. I've muted the sound. To stop the video, all you have to do is hit the space bar on your keyboard. And then you go up to the top right corner, and that's where you have all your share functions. If you notice, there's a copy link. If you click on that, what it's going to do is it's going to copy that link, and then you can paste it into anything that you want. You could also click your cursor in there and hit Command A and then Command C, and then you would have a copy of it. You can also share it on Facebook. You can share it on Reddit. You can share it on Pinterest. You can share it on Twitter. You can share it on WhatsApp. And I guess you can embed it if you wanted to. So there's a lot of different things that you can do. Over here, you can see there's no likes. I'm going to give myself a like. Bam, now I got one like. And basically, that's how you do it. So let's hit copy link, and we're going to share this in Apple Messages. By hitting that copy link, it's kind of like hitting Command C. You've copied it. Then you could open up an app like this Messenger app. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go into that little window, click there, and then I'm going to hit Command V, and it's going to paste it in there. And then I just got to hit return, and bam, my TikTok video will show up in that feed going to that individual in your message app. And that's it. Bam, done. That's how you share it. Real simple, very easy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a video from TikTok on your desktop, iMac, or PC through Google Chrome. So I'm assuming you have your TikTok open. You just slide your cursor over that little weird arrow pointing to the right, and it's going to open up another box. And inside that box is all the ways that you can share it. You can put it on Twitter, Pinterest, Reddit, Facebook. You can copy the link and then embed it or paste it in different fields. You can also just go ahead and click on the video, and it's going to open up a new page where you can share it. So what this does is it expands the video across your desktop. And if you look up in the right-hand corner, you're going to see all of the share functions. You can copy the address, the URL address, by just hitting that copy link. And then you could paste that into any field like your messages, or messenger, or in email, or whatever. And you can also share it on all those other functions like Facebook, Reddit, and all those different things like WhatsApp. That's pretty much how you do it. All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a video off of your TikTok account on your desktop. So let's just go to our profile. We're going to click on our icon. It's going to give us a drop box. We're going to click on View Profile. Next, we're going to click on the video that we want to get rid of. I only have one. We're going to click on our video. It's going to bring this page up. I'm going to hit my space bar. I'm going to stop the video so you don't have to listen to me. And then I'm going to come up to these three little dots right here. And it's going to give me this drop-down window, which I can go to delete. Click it. And it says, are you sure you want to delete this video? I'm going to say, yeah, let's delete that bad boy. And guess what? It's gone. And that's how you delete a video on your desktop, iMac, or really a PC, or really a laptop, or really anything other than your phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your TikTok account on either a PC or an iMac computer. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I already made one, and but it doesn't really have any. Like, I'll show you. This is my profile. It gave me that name. I don't even know where it came from. If I want to look at just to look at the videos, this is what you do if you're not going to really post any, and you can just kind of scroll through it on your PC. And that's, and then you can choose different ones that you want to follow if you want. But what we want to do is we want to show you how to delete this account. To do this, you're going to click on Profile, it gives you this drop down. Then drop down, go to Settings, click on Settings. It opens up this page where you see Manage Account. You just go over and click Delete, which will open up this window here. And then it says if you delete the account, you'll no longer be able to log into TikTok with that account, blah, blah, blah. So it just, it tells you all that stuff. And then all you have to do is hit Continue. And I just have to click Send Code. And then it's going to come, and right now I got 56 seconds. And so it gave me this code, and it sent it to my phone number. And all I got to do is hit Delete Account. And you get another window where they're going to ask you again, are you sure? And you just have to hit Delete, and that's it. It's done. And bam, that's how you do it. That's how you delete a TikTok account on your desktop, either an iMac or a PC. And if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on TikTok. Peace out.